A very good morning to each and everyone. Today we will learn chapter number 2 of class 9th is matter around us pure. In part 2 we will learn the topic solution, suspension and colloidal solution, their definition and property. So let us start our today class. First of all, we will learn what is solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is known as solution. We know that, for example, solution of sugar and water and the solution of salt and water, soda water and lemonade, solution of iodine in alcohol are the examples of solution. We see that a solution has two components, one is solute and another is solvent. For example, solution of sugar and water, sugar is solute and water is solvent. In soda water, the carbon dioxide is solute and the water is solvent. In lemonade, the lemon juice is solute and the water is solvent. So in a solution, the solute is present in solid, liquid and gaseous form. Solute that is present in the less amount of in solution and solvent that is present in more amount of in solution. So a solution has two components, solute and solvent. Solute that is dissolved in the solvent. Now we will see properties of solution. How we can identify solution, the properties which we can observe in a solution. First, a solution is a homogeneous mixture. As you know that it has uniform composition through it. You can take any example whether it is soda water or in lemonade. Now second, the particles of a solutions are very small in size. They are 1 nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 की power minus 9 meters. That means they are very small in size, so we cannot see them with our naked eyes. We can see these particles with the help of microscope. Third point is when if you allow a beam of light through a solution, the solution do not a solution does not scatter, the beam of light passes through it. So a solution does not scatter, the beam of light passes through it. It is because the particle size in solution very small, so it do not show Tyndall effect. The next point is, and the last point is, a solution is a stable. If you left the solution for some time, if you left it undisturbed for some time, the particle of solute cannot dissolve, cannot suspended in it. The particle is stable. जो solute के जो particle हैं वो solvent के अंदर नीचे नहीं बैठेंगे, कोई suspension नहीं होगा, इसलिए ये क्या होगा, stable होगा. Now we will see suspension. What are suspensions? Examples of suspensions and properties of suspension. So suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve, but they remain suspended through its bulk of the medium. इसके अंदर जो solute के जो particle हैं वो पूरी तरह से suspend रहेंगे, वो bottom में बैठ जाएंगे. तो such type of heterogeneous mixture is known as suspension. You can take example of suspensions, muddy water. If you dissolve sand in water, it is an example of suspension. You can take another example, if you add flour in water, so this is also an example of suspension. You can see another example of suspension are different pants in dyes are the example of suspension. Now let us see the properties of suspension. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture, means it do not have uniform composition, so it is known as heterogeneous mixture. Regarding second, the size particle, the size particles are more comparatively big in size than the solution so they can be seen by the naked eyes. इसमें पार्टिकल का साइज इतना बड़ा होता है कि हम उनको आंखों से देख सकते हैं. थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ द सस्पेंशंस scatter beam of light. If you allow a beam of light through the suspension, the particles are big enough, they scatter beam of the light, means they show Tyndall effect. And the last point is, if you left undisturbed the suspension, the particles suspended in the bottom of the container, the solid particles जो कंटेनर का बॉटम उसके अंदर बैठ जाते हैं. सो वी कैन से दैट अ सस्पेंशन इज अनस्टेबल. इट इज जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज कोलाइड और कोलाइड सॉल्यूशन. कोलाइड इज ऑल्सो हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर इन विच the particle size is too small, so generally they cannot seen by the naked eyes. For example, milk is an example of colloidal solution. Now we will see the properties of colloidal solution. Colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture. It not has a uniform composition, so it is also heterogeneous mixture like the suspension. Second, the particle of colloidals are very small in size, although they generally cannot seen by the naked eyes, but individually they can seen by the naked eyes, or we can see with the help of the electron microscopes. Third one, they show Tyndall effect. If you pass a beam of light through milk solution, through a colloidal solution, the particles able to spread the beam of the light. The path of beam of light is visible, which is known as Tyndall effect. So they show the Tyndall effect, or they scatter the beam of light passes through it. The last point is the particles, if you left undisturbed the colloidal solution, the particles maybe do not completely settle down like the suspension. So we can say that a particle is quite, or a colloidal solution is quite unstable. So this is the comparison between what are the solutions, suspension and colloidal, and their properties. I think this video is very helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you a lot.